Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by bringing both clips into your editor and making sure they match in resolution and frame rate. This prevents jitter or scaling later. Once imported, create or set a 16:9 sequence to avoid unexpected cropping and drag each clip to its own track so they sit one above the other. You do this now because aligning clips early saves time. Make sure audio is muted on the lower track if you only want one audio source. Now you scale and position each clip to create the split. Select a clip and set scale to roughly 50% or to values that preserve important subject matter. This shrinks the image without stretching. Then move it horizontally using the X position or anchor point until it sits flush on the left or right edge. Once done, repeat for the other clip. Use on-screen guides or a grid to keep both frames evenly spaced and aligned, which gives a professional, balanced look. Finish by polishing edges and matching colors so both halves feel unified. Crop or add a slight feather on the inner edges to soften the seam, then balance color and exposure to avoid a distracting contrast. Set audio levels. Choose one track as primary and fade or mute the other, and add keyframes for any motion or transitions. Before final export, render a short test clip to check for black bars, sync drift, or mismatch. If problems appear, revisit scale and sequence settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.